In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIFS formula in Smartsheet with a real example. We'll walk through what the function does, how to read it, and exactly how to enter it so you get the result you expect. Here's the scenario. We have a sheet with columns for date, project name, category, team member, amount, and status. Each row represents a cost tied to a specific project. Our goal is to total the amount for a single project, website revamp. To do that, we'll use the SUMIFS function, which adds numbers only when certain conditions are met. The formula we're using is SUMIFS on the amount column, with a condition on the project name column that equals website revamp. In Smartsheet, that looks like equals SUMIFS, open parenthesis, amount as the sum range, project name as the criteria range, and website revamp as the condition, then close parenthesis. In plain language, we're saying add up values from the amount column, but only for rows where project name is website revamp. Let's break that down. The first piece, amount, tells Smartsheet which numbers to add. The second piece, project name, tells Smartsheet where to check the condition. The final piece, website revamp, is the condition itself. It filters the rows so only those with that exact project name are included. Looking at our sample table, there are two matching rows, one for 500 and one for 1200. Add them together, and the total is 1700. Now let's enter it in Smartsheet. Click the cell where you want the total to appear. This could be at the bottom of the amount column or in a summary section, wherever you want the result to live. Type an equal sign, then the SUMIFS formula exactly as shown. Make sure the column names match your sheet's column headers, including spacing and capitalization. Use the bracketed column references like amount, and put text criteria like website revamp in quotes. Press enter and Smartsheet calculates instantly. The best part is that it stays dynamic. If you add new rows or update amounts for website revamp, the total updates automatically. That makes SUMIFS perfect for tracking project costs, budgets, and any totals you need based on specific conditions. That's how the SUMIFS formula works in Smartsheet using a project name filter. If this was helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment if you want more formula breakdowns, and subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.